Hey, it's Scott, and today we're going to take a quick look at how to update the firmware on your Rode VideoMic NTG. And by the way, I'm using it right now as a USB microphone to record this voiceover. So if you head over to the VideoMic NTG page and scroll down a bit, you will see some links for the firmware updater, both for Windows and for Mac. I'm on Mac, so I'm going to download the Mac version, of course. And if you get a little pop-up to ask for permission to do so, just of course allow that. And once it downloads, you can head over to the zip folder, unzip it, and you'll have the program right there ready to go. Once again, when you open it, if you do need to give it permission, just go ahead and do that. When you open it up, just go ahead to the next page, choose your microphone, in this case the VideoMic NTG, go over to the next page, and it will tell you to connect your microphone to the computer if you haven't already. Once you do that, just go ahead and click over to the next page, and it will tell you the version of your firmware that you're currently on and the newest version available. If you want to update, click the next arrow. It will install in just a few seconds. You can see that it really takes no time at all. And once it's done, you're good to go. So that's all there is to it. It's called the Easy Update because it is easy, and that will allow them to give this microphone the maximum future compatibility with all kinds of cameras. In case any camera comes out that has some issues with it, they can update it and make sure that it's going to work down the road in the future as well, which is really quite a nice touch to add to this. And even since this came out, or since they sent this to me, it's already been updated a couple of times, so they're really on top of it to keep that compatibility up to date. If you have any questions or comments, or if you do want to see my actual review of this microphone, click the link on screen wherever it is right now or down in the video description below to check that out. Otherwise, as always, thank you for watching.